Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with File Explorer not responding. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Start menu on your device and type File Explorer settings. Once you do, double click on the result at the top. Then after you will see a tab. In that tab, in the privacy section at the bottom, make sure all the options are toggled on. Click on clear and then on OK. After that, your file explorer should work. If it is still having problem, go to your start menu and then restart your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.